So I felt that they are all the same. If this base is really going to be under the base, I think it will be very good for us to also come out and join, bring people out to also join it, because these two parties, if we leave them at the end of the day, people will just be even stepping on each other like we are animals.
Ono ne mpefe se NPP NDC no yenye nipa adwene mfanye bibia. But the person watch this say and say base no mo ba yesrem. Muntie ne yenso ye beka. Muntie ne ye beka.
The base. Mesra say wo mu the room obi ene na mabonten say amanfo bi ni nam ekeka the base ho nyoma bi radio so TV so me Prophet Bernard Sia me kan pin achrew unti bi mfa the base e ma for mo da
papa so de nanu disama tuja we na ma me kire wo se nipa bi pia bonten no mo ye open na onfere wonsuro no wo ye na bi se me de ma no disama tuja papa bo wani nye wate wo na wo ta base chi no. These are the noble people who are behind you. Nanso yanamo asan hia eha official Atija TV eso. O from therefore meje oso. Awde Atija ne kan wana wowie me kra. Binia ensem a ede eye nika. Na pie de base mu. Ise wo hwe enipa hodo a banyimfo bi bopini wo mu. Okwa omre ena watewase a na ekire wo se binia uche kika ho wonso wo de enso ne se ne ye show de kire no ubepia ma manfo nso ayede ahwebie we ye tamale ehwasem northern region ene ye ka hwasem ye maami bi se wo hwe ne nkasa ye no utie no a na oye NDC ni pa na ne man koyie ene ode move ye ba MPP e honso kla de ne and for some time ni we giant fie MP so be join party bia MPP fo etu anamo ba NDC fo tu anamo ba but on fo bia asem nya asem bio. It what happened really happened. They say, "Yenua akwakohia no, e the base ho asem akwakoto nanim." Ye maami amaya mrekra. Ne be mo tie ye maami from krenkre to krankan. Na wa wo beti ye be kan ase. Wa mi amrekra. Na analysis a wo ye e kire se maami enimede. No wa ye na dwen pa so say obepua ma base no a wa ba no e betime nya headway. Enuti yebia ne kan was northern regional saying region ni nyina for the base no opese maame no eboa as women's coordinator and as women's organizer edema wo mu na ni nyina mu no munim say yenya nto aba etu obi a wo bone ho modern ye peke wo de wo hye ho a na wa hyire wo ho ye ne yie se de be ya abato ba wo so wo beje hini me see the base na ba wo ye hwe previously wo bi se binum an alante ne ho kwesi sen an chada krako e wonya percentage sen kiraboso nya percentage sen ya no mu wura free se we ni ye different kra o de bia ya na me de mamo as an example say cars mienu ba ko botrotro ana wo mienu nyina botrotro ana first one won atu anopa won na mu a woko second one no so edie nkofo bi na afre ne se ye koi eha na ye number ni ye se yaso me pa cho be faye ebe de na wo de ne ono na mu botrotro peki nipa ba ko no atoto ne nipa na ye ready o be form no the base ni nipa na ye ready ene ye twa candidate enunti wo de toto na kunadu no mo ho alanche maten no mo ho cheddar no mo ho gum no mo masa enye ye o. When youth nankasa ho ma desperate youth na ni abre youth nankasa ni abre eno se da ye tiase ye koni ekotie ya maame ekotie ya maame ba na ewo mu bia no be de beto aso de ama.
Saratu, I am in California. I was the women organizer of Tamale North NDC. So with the NDC, I think things were not going well for me. Because when I was the women organizer, I didn't have an MPP. So I did everything by myself. So finally, when we had the MPP, I think he had beef with me, which I didn't know where it was coming from. So I just left the party and I joined MPP. And this is even where the hell was. If I didn't even join it and was in my house, so my hands folded, it would have been very good. But at the end of the day, that was what also happened. I went for campaign in the night, around one something when I came. My first one, my senior son, died. These people never visited to see. Yesterday we were with Ajia. Today we haven't seen it. Yesterday we have not seen it. Nobody asked about me. In fact, in a year, my daughter also followed up. So I felt that they are all the same. If this base is really going to be under the base, I think it will be very good for us to also come out and join, bring people out to also join it, because these two parties, if we leave them at the end of the day, people will just be even stepping on each other like we are animals. So if base is here, base is welcome.
Thank you.
So I was the assembly person for Ahmadiyya Mission electoral area. After the assembly member, I became the women organizer. So I don't think for politics and mobilizing, it is something that will be hard for me. I didn't know where Mr. Sule heard about me. So that is here. I believe that still God needs us to work for the country.
Sure.
If God really needs us to work for the country, we are ready to do everything that is supposed to be done.
Inshallah.
But please, they didn't listen to us so that things will move smoothly. Thank you. We don't have to talk much. We know we will meet.
Okay, so we'll talk more, and that is Ajia Saratu, and we are pleased to have her to stand in as my regional women organizer who organize all the women. I'll let the rest join, and we are still doing the mobilization smallly. I'm making sure we bring competent, loyal, sincere people, not criminals, not people who are here to find chop money. I'm bringing people who seriously have a mission and a vision. And she has welcomed the base, and the base has come to stay. Thank you.
Minia, asamnetia, osasempa, etia. Ya maame ensemo a wode tudwen. We na ekira wo se anamo no kɔ. Asemo kan wo se onim ne ye ya papa yitimi hu. Be kira kwan ya wo behwehwe me. Fise nipa na tiada. Na masem na wo kan nyina nsa kwan bia Yesu ya beboa biara. Ye be de beboa. Ono ne mpefe se MPP NDC no ye nyi nipa adwene mfa nye bibia. But the person watching say and say base no more ba yesre mo muntie ne yenso ye beka muntie de yen ye beka na mo fanye de mo fa di djuma me wa another video am de be kire wo osofo yi in fact na sema wo ka no eye based on stekano mo ne Captain Smart dom ensemo a wo mo keka no e no no so de agira so a obo base echidom na wo tie base echidom o kire wo se wo ne wo na eko ye nkokko hwemra
beloved Yamin Shroud amanyoku na na say passion the base mesra say wo mu di room obi ene na mabonten say amanfo bi ni nam kan the base ho nyoma bi radio so TV so me prophet Benadesia me kan pin akire wo untimi mfa the base ma for mo da wo untimi mfa the base ma for mo da and media personals be a morning nam TV show, radio show, interviews, media platforms, and stations. I hold on. Momuntimi mfa the base ma for mo da. Opa take you from Prophet Benadesia. Untimi mfa ma for mo da. Unim tumi a anase power e back the base a. Pe baby etena. If you can't beat them, just join them. If you can't beat them, just join them. Na ebeye mo nwanwa, na ebeye mo surprise. This year ano Kendifu na Penia the base almost train na Honorable Kennedy Akompreko on Hene Japan. Now I know say Papa will do a justice. Papa will do a justice now. Enye me wanwa me prophet Esiam de enye me wanwa bebre because the base has come to stay. The base Ghana first. O course from the base Ghana first. Na akraboa no kura wo mu kura mpo no adimua na prophet Shameba be ka ho asem akraboa no the seal and the token e wo mu no adimua. Stay tuned and follow me, like it and share it all around. Be blessed. Bye bye.
Papa so de nanu disama tudwa we na ma me kire wo se nipa bi pia bonten no ye open na omfere onsuro no ye na bi se mede ma no disama tudwa papa ma wani nye wate. Wona wota base echi no. These are the noble people who are behind you. These are the noble people who are behind you. You don't have to fear anything. So what do akuma? Yes, what do I dream beka ho? Now what do akuma tache? All because adwuma na ya fe de ahyase nti. But you know no. The entire what do I dream akuma nyina na ebom na nya akuma ne nko ano. Said the beya bibia eko bia wetumi do ani adi akire yie na de atimi aboa wo na aboa me. Me say enipa o ma hyase ebo base din no enye obi na eka kire wo mo na ebo. Captain Smart akodi nkobo. Hi the base no a tourist group na basa no a moa na hwan na mo nsesa no na de. Asemo edi kan ka kire mo no se ye ka se bibi ye base a se base no actually the foundation of every dan bi a wusie bia o man bia nso kita ni base aye the foundation eno na MPP ni NDC fo nso fra wo de grassroots let's say ehini na wase na kita dua na nkasa enti ye ka base the base no wo tourist na wo ka ho asab no yamhwe nkire mu ye different. By the way, ya samu a ye ka kura nyina ne say the base no aye a movement na it will soon change to a political party which wouldn't be the same name as we have now. So what's your problem? What's your problem? We so na we base and we say these are all not relevant. I hear you say. What's my brewa baby obeto e wasembe. Nana, what pian brewa was sumono. E wasembe. What's my brewa planning also onko e wasembe. Enuti wa we base member. Wa register. Wa register so wo hwade ne nyina no is allowed. So what is MPP ni bi kasa like stekado mne wo mo makeka emfo adwene enko ho Captain Smart wa bo MPP achi sa ma NDC aba NDC ba he so wo nya de papa bia wo da so bo machi ye ka besa oto ayampia oto atoto ayampia na sebe seka wo bie wa no a wo kan se da ma no konya nkwanhia ewo ntoso omkoto ntoso obokena no na esenke ye bobo ma no ade no man ka se ho no ese munyina mo resign mama mamu na funu nipa amamu no afunu ye nana afunu ye. That is what we are talking about, afunu ye. And you know, many are what we base now, but this will be cancer who be afa base one. Don't worry, because we'll be your base ni be and cancer someone or no ya MPP or ya NDC no. It yet see honey ye near my akuma yaden enter ye yem. Frisanana movement no ye woman say siano. So we nipa e puba. Ese uma we near the edge. Now what say it has come to stay. Waba atenase. Atenase na waba no specifically no we want to let you know say enya dia woko ba bia. Enye se wabetena ase keke a wobetena ase afa nsu anom adidi gel no atena ase o obetu anama abɛn energy obɛbɛn energy enti mekɔ so aka kyerɛ wo se sempanyimfo we ni mu nyinara eta de base achia ɛyɛ ni ehu se young boys bi asabe womu nyanru 16 years kura na kyɛ sa agro bi ne yɛdie 16 years fo a enru 2028 no manya 18 ye twɛn wo mo 18 fo ye twɛn mo wo adwuma ye twɛn wo ni adwuma ye twɛn obi biara ehia obiara for the task force na efiri ne edeko me pese wo a wo hwɛ me no wo de to adwene mu sɛ yɛse ade we saa ne enim ɛno ane wo hɔ no ye twɛmu ne ye twɛmu ene minia me say ye cancel no tinton time ye yefri ho ne ye nte ho nase na se te ho nase a ebeboa me na boa wo se te ho nase a it will help you, it will help me. But they can't pen me say politics and na politicians atumi try almost possible best age to me be free obi a ho amana kodi ho Omaje tumi na fra hemfo ho asofo omaje afri mu nsam what you say omaje ade afri mu nsam politics and the talk of the day when you wura mu pa you have to be rich yemfa ho ne how you will make it yemfa ho enti na timi basa se wo man na sika wo ho a wo as a president for di djuma what's a men fan ye omo to be kreti no ma lotu no ma share ono no ba esanso anim say kenike obekọ opposition ti ochi obi na ha no mingwa nipa na yebone na nya Ghana nko na wetimi sia eye dan na obi a wawurawura mu akokuma boa eye mra ache no problem bi ani ho de ono so awurawura no de excavators ni ade akotu ebupu nua essence ase no ono de yokobo abo ni tuo no a wode kohwe ne living how to survive no yatimi ade agina so within 3 weeks I'm on a judgment man 3 years imprisonment na de wedi boneson say because oye MPP ni nti yankanasem all because third force be any honte no eye dan ya say yen ye hofunu mokora wenim na eba nti ben ko kanasem na men so wabetormente me. That is what we have. Ne yikitemu wo Ghana no. Very, very bad. Very, very bad. Etiminua. De ye kakosi nyina ne se. Fa ho hye base no. Ka bi kire nipa bi ba akopɛ mienu miensa wani beba ho so no. Na wo de wo ne kasa nyina wie pepepa ka kire ne se. Pick your phone up. Go to thebasemovement.com. Register and get your card there. Eho shiseye di akire bia no akire ebeba ama monsaka. Bomode na subscribe ema channel no. Share emu before nya bi. Na fe minua try o possible best. Se obe like it no ama comment. Me ne obesan share bio. Eha e official Tija TV. Bakram.